friends, me Sachin Thakkar, and today we are going to start most important MCQs of MSc Chemistry Semester 1 in Organic Chemistry Part 2. In this video we have put direct answer instead of option, and this video is very useful for all university exam including HNGU University. So let's start. Our first question: all the symmetry operations of H2O molecule form. Answer: an abelian group. Second question: A2 symbol is given to one-dimensional irreducible representation. Answer is symmetrical to the principal axis but unsymmetrical to vertical plane. Third question: ammonia belong to point group. Answer: C3b. Fourth question: plane of symmetry is. Answer: an imaginary plane within the molecule. Fifth question: molecule has no center of symmetry. Answer: NH3. Sixth question: in a group, elements which are conjugate to each other belong to. Answer: same class. Seventh question: CN3COOH belong to the point group. Answer: non-axial group. Eighth question: molecule does not belong to TD point group, means tetrahedral point group. Answer: CH3Cl and Answer: CH3Cl and CHCl3. Ninth question: POBr Cl2 molecule has. Answer: plane of symmetry. 10th question: axis of infinite fold symmetry C infinite is present in molecule. Answer: linear. 11th question: the classes of operation in D3H point group are. Answer: 6. 12th question: how many irreducible representations are possible for C3b point group? Answer: 3. 13th question: the point group of cyclopentadienide ion are. Answer: D5H. 14th question: the symmetry operations of the BF3 molecule form. Answer: a non-abelian group. 15th question: symmetry element may be. Answer: an axis, a plane and a point. 16th question: the axis of symmetry is. Answer: an imaginary axis passing through the molecule. 17th question: molecule has no center of symmetry. Answer: ortho and meta substituted benzene and cis dichloroethene. 18th question: performing a symmetry operations leaves molecule. Answer: indistinguishable. 19th question: axis with the highest order symmetry is called. Answer: principal. 20th question: bis cyclopentadienide Fe2 belong to the point group. Answer: D5D. 21st question: water belong to the point group. Answer: C2V. 22nd question: the sum of the square of the character of an irreducible representation is not equal to the order of group. This statement is. Answer: false. 23rd question: the point group of trigonal antiprism structure is. Answer: D3D. 24th question: ligand group with minimum trans effect. Answer: H2O. 25th question: if two complexes form a bridge intermediate, the mechanism will be. Answer: inner sphere. 26th question: Bronsted acidity of anemia is dash as compared to water. Answer is less. 27th question: crystal field splitting plays no role in electronic configuration. Answer all. D0, D5 and D10. 28th question, triacylide amine is answer planar. 29th question, in the Wells diagram of BeH2, energy of 2A1 is dash in linear structure. Answer is lower. 30th question, lone pair occupies position in trigonal bipyramidal structure. Answer is equatorial. 31 question, in the bonding molecular orbital, electron density is centered on answer between the two nuclei. 32 question, Schrodinger equation is answer second order differential equation. 33 question, wave function associated with material particle is answer infinite, continuous and single valued. 34th question, number of framework electrons for closo-boron is answer 2n plus 2. 35th question, a regular deltahedron with n vertices, number of framework electron pair will be answer n plus 1 pairs. 36th question, the structure of B5H9 is answer square pyramid. 37th question, B4H10 contains the bond answer all BHB, BB and BH. 38th question, a deltahedron is a polyhedron with all faces answer equilateral triangle. 39th question, B10H14 is answer nidoboron. 40th question, who discovered borans in the lab? Answer Stock. 41 question, in the stick code X refers to answer BH2 group. 42 question, B5H9 contains the bond answer all BH, BHB and BB. 43rd question, the stick code of B10H14 is answer 4620. 44th question, the CH bond in the carborans are answer acidic. 45th question, fluoro groups in Re2C18 2- are answer staggered. 46th question, the stick code of B5H11 is answer 3203. 47th question, in the stick code T refers to answer 3 carbon 2 electron BBB. Structure of B6H10 is answer pentagonal pyramid. 49th question, number of framework electron for nidoboron is answer 2n plus 4. 50th question, the deltahedron with n equal to 12 will be answer is isocohedron. 51th question, carbonyl cluster Rb6CO16 is answer is closo. 52 question, which of the following carbonyl does not follow EAN rules? Answer VC06. 53 question, stretching frequency of carbonyl upon complex formation. Answer decreases. 54th question, the unstable carbonyl species is answer MnCO5. 55th question, when deoxyhemoglobin bind with oxygen, bond order and VO2 of oxygen, answer is decreases. It means bond order decreases and VO2 of oxygen also decreases. 56th question, in carbonyl complex as more electron density transfer from metal orbital to CO antibonding orbital, the CO stretching frequency answer decreases. 57th question. The order of carbonyl stretching frequency is answer CO is greater than CrCO6 is greater than VCO6 is greater than TiCO6 twice. 58th question. The oxidation state of iron in hemoglobin is answer +2. 59th question. Which of the following carbonyl does not obey 18 electron rule? Answer MnCO5. 60th question. As the electronegativity of substituent present in ligand increases, the CO stretching frequency is answer increases. 61 question. The change involved during the transformation of oxyhemoglobin answer Fe2 low spin state changes to Fe2 of high spin. 62 question. The number of unpaired electron in hemoglobin answer is 0. 63 question. Metal in carbonyl are answer low oxidation state. 64th question. Myoglobin contain Fe2 in answer high spin state. 65th question. In deoxyhemoglobin iron is answer 5 coordinated. Dear friends, if you want to join our Telegram group and WhatsApp group, then link is available. Thank you.